Welcome to Health Organizers, your digestive system specialist. In our Health Bites, we strive to provide you with just enough information to chew on so that you can understand how to care for your digestive system, also known as your hole in the middle. On this edition of Health Bite, we will be discussing protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Now, proteins are important in the body because they are involved in all functions of the body. They are involved in structure, they are involved in components of the body such as enzymes and hormones, as well as transport of things around the body. So proteins are absolutely vital in the functioning of the body. So we can think of proteins as being like a chain necklace, and each individual link on that chain necklace is an amino acid. And so therefore, when we mix up different amino acids into that chain necklace, then we can have different types of proteins. So food sources of proteins are varied, and because of the essential nature of protein in everything that is involved in basic functioning of the body, you'll find protein in most foods. But what we're going to focus on are your protein-rich foods. So those would be your meats, your fish, your beans, your nuts, your soy products such as tofu, and egg whites. Those are your main protein-rich foods. Now, protein definitely is a source of energy, but it's a source of slow energy for the body. So if you are hungry and you eat just a protein-rich food without a balance of other types of food groups, you may still have that hunger feeling. So this is why it's important then to mix up your meals with other types of food groups. Protein requires stomach acid, so you will not be able to digest protein if you don't have enough stomach acid. Carbohydrates then. Carbohydrates are foods like bread and rice and pasta, fruits, vegetables, and they are a source of quick energy. So when you are hungry and you can have some carbohydrates, that'll kind of satiate you so that you won't feel like I'm dying if I don't eat, right? So that is the purpose of carbohydrates, quick energy. You want to balance that with protein, which is slow energy. Now, intermediate then would be your fats, which are rich fat fruits that are rich in fats would be your coconut, your avocado, and also your egg yolks. So fats provide that feeling of satiety, and the energy level is between that of protein and carbohydrates. Then it is important to remember, as we have said before in our other videos, that when we're talking about your digestive system, we call it the hole in the middle because if there is a problem with any of your organs of your digestive system, either function, not producing enough stomach acid or enough enzymes, or maybe ingesting things such as excess alcohol, which may leach vitamins and minerals, if there's a problem in the digestive system, then literally we are eating foods and maybe taking prescription medications even, and it's going in one end and falling out the other, the hole in the middle. So be sure to care for it. That concludes this edition of Health Bite on proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Be sure to look for us on the web, healthorganizers.net. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. I'm Dr. Megan Laban, and remember, Health Organizers, working with you to tidy up your health naturally.